we will study the circle and we will know about the area of the circle. First, we will study what is circle. Here is the closed figure, and the definition of circle is that a circle is a closed curve obtained on joining all points that are at the same distance from a fixed point and lie in the same plane. So here is the circle. Now, more about circle is that radius of circle. Here is OC, the distance between the center and the point on the circumferences is known as the radius. And what about the diameter? The point joining, any two point joining on the circumferences that passes through the center, that is known as diameter. So here AB is the diameter, and diameter will always equal to 2r. 2r means 2 of the double of the radius, we can say. Here D equal to 2r or r equal to radius. Now circumferences, that is the path, that is equal to 2 pi r. Here pi is constant. Value of pi is 22/7 when we write in a fraction, or in the decimal we will write 3.14. According to the question, we can take 2.7 or 3.14. Area of circle will equal to pi r square. Here pi is, we can take 22/7, 3.14 as we required in the question, and r is the radius of circle. So with the help of this information, we will try to do the sum of exercise 20D. Children, I am taking question number 1, exercise 20D. Find the radius and the area of the circle whose circumference is 132 centimeter. So let's take the given circumferences equal to 132 centimeter, or circumferences we know 2 pi r, so that is 2 pi r equal to 132 centimeter. R equal to 132 upon 2 pi will divide the 132. 132 upon 2 into 22.7, the value of pi, that is 22.7. 7 will go in the numerator, multiply to 132, and 22 will remain in the denominator. So that will calculation we have. Now 11 1 the 11 to the 22, 12 times 132 cancel, and 11 to the 22. Now again 2 6 are 12, and 2 1 the 2, again 2 3 are 6. So now 7 into 3, that will give the 21 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. Now area equal to pi r square, that is 22/7 into 21 into 21 equal to 1386. So in that manner you will do the sum number 1. Children, I am taking question number 2. First part I am going to take. Given area equal to 154 centimeter square. The area of circle is given 154 centimeter square, and we have to find the radius and the circumferences. So here we will write area equal to 154 centimeter square. Area you know, pi r square, that is 154. R square, pi will go in the denominator, will divide the 154. Put the value of pi, that is 22/7. 7 will go in the numerator, will multiply to the 154. So 154 into 7/22. Now 11 to the 22, 11, 14 the 154. 2 7 the 14, so we will get the 7 into 7. So r equal to 7 centimeter square. Now circumferences equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7, r we got the 7, 7 to 7 cancel. 2 into 22, that is 44 centimeter. So in that manner you will do the sum number 2. Children, are taking question number 4. In that given area equal to 1386, here the area, we know area is what, pi r square, so pi r square equal to 1386. R square equal to 1386 divided by pi, pi will go in the denominator, value, put the value, 22/7, 7 will go in the numerator, so 1386 into 7/22, divide by 11, so 11 to the 22, and 11, whenever divide 1386, we get the 126. Now again 126 will divide by 2, we will get the 63. 63 into 7, that is 441. So r square we got the 441. R equal to under root 441, that is 21 centimeters. Square root of 441 is 21. So now circumference is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21, 7 3 is 21, 2 multiply 22 multiply 3 will get the 132 centimeter. So circumference is 132 centimeter. So in that manner you will do the sum number 4. Children, I am taking question number 6. Two parts are there, one and first and second. So I am taking the first part. The figure of first part is that you can see this here. Radius of the circle is given, and on the circle there is a square on its boundary, and the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So now the side of the square touching the boundary of the circle will be 14 centimeter square. As the radius is 14, is 7, and same 7 is here. So total distance DC will be the 14 centimeter. So side of the square will be the 14 centimeter square. Now find the area of the circle, that is pi r square. 22.7 into 7 into 7, 7 the radius, that is 154 centimeter square. Now area of the square equal to side square. Side is 14 centimeter, we just find out how. So 14 square, that is 196 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded part equal to 196 minus 154, that is 42 centimeter square. Children, I am taking question number 9, in which there is a path of uniform width 7 meter, round and outside a circular garden of a diameter 210 meter. Find the area of the path. So here is the figure, and we have to find the area of the path. So given width of the path is 7 meter, I just shown the figure, and diameter of the circle, inner circle, that is 210. So radius will be the radius of inner circle will be 210 upon 2, as the diameter radius is half of the diameter. So 210 upon 2, that is 105 meter. Now radius of outer circle, there is a bigger circle, that will be the radius of inner circle plus the distance of path. So 105 plus 7, that is 112 meter. Now area of the inner circle equal to 22.7 into radius of the inner circle, that is 105 into 105, and we will cancel 105 by 7, that is 15 times. So product of 22 into 15 into 105, that is 234,650 centimeter square. Now area of the outer circle 22.7 into 112 into 112, as 112 is the radius of outer circle. So divide 112 by 7, we get the 16. So product of 22 into 16 into 112, that is 39424 centimeter square. Now area of the path equal to area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. That is 39424 minus 34650, that is 4774 centimeter square. So in that manner you will do the sum number 9. Children, are taking question number 11, that is a wire when bent in the form of square enclose an area of 196 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent to form a circle, find the area of the circle. So first, what is given? Given area of square equal to 196 centimeter square. That is the square we just imagine. Let the side of square be A. So area will be A square, as we know the area of square equal to A square. A square, that is 196. The side of square will be 14 centimeter. The side of square equal to 14 centimeters. What is the length of wire? We just find out the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square equal to 4A, that is 4 into 14, that is 56 centimeter. So length of wire is 56 centimeter. Same wire is bent. Same wire is bent means the length of 56 centimeter wire bent into and make the circle. Make the circle, that means the circumferences of the circle will also be equal to the 56. So circumferences of circle equal to perimeter of square, that is 56. So 2 pi r, as the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 56, that means r equal to 56 upon 2 pi. 2 pi will go in the denominator, will divide 56, or 2 into 22 upon 7, 7 will go in the numerator, will give this 98 upon 11. So r of radius of the circle of that circle will be the 98 upon 11. Now area of the circle enclosed, that is area pi r square, that is 22 upon 7, that is 98 upon 11. We got the radius into 98 upon 11. 11 to the 22 and 7, 14 the 98. So 2 into 14 into 98 upon 11 we got final, and when we divide 2 into 14 into 98 we got 249.45. So in that manner you will do the sum number 11. Children, I am taking question number 13, in which given diameter of the wheel of a car is 0.70 meter, and you know all radius equal to d upon 2, that is 0.70 upon 2, that is 0.35 meter. So distance covered in one revolution will be its circumferences, that means 2 pi r. So 2 into 22.7 into 0.35, the radius of the circle or radius of the wheel. So when we solve it, 0.35 divided by 7 will give the 0.05, multiplied together will get the 2.2 meter. So circumference of the circle or the wheel equal to 2.2 meter. Yani one revolution, in the one revolution the wheel cover the distance 2.2 meter. So distance cover in 500 revolution, that will be the 500 into 2.2, that is 1100 meter. That is your first answer. Now we have to find the speed. Speed equal to, you know all, distance upon time. Distance is 1100 meter, and the 1100 meter distance is taken by the wheel in 5 minutes. So divided by 5 minutes, but we have to find the speed in seconds. So 5 minutes will convert it to second. So 5 into 60, that is 1 minute equal to 60. So 5 minutes into 5 into 60. So 5 into 60, 1100 upon 5 into 60. When we solve it, we get the 22.6. That is 11 upon 3. That is 32 upon 3 meter per second. So speed in meter per second is equal to 32 upon 3 meter per second. Now speed in kilometer per hour will be, we will get 11 upon 3 into 18 upon 5. When we divide 18 upon 5 in the speed of meter per second, we will get the speed in kilometer per hour. 18 upon 5 is the fraction multiplication for converting speed meter per second to kilometer per hour. So write down 11 upon 3 into 18 upon 5, that will divide 3, 6 are 18, 66 upon 5, that is 13.2 kilometer per hour. So in that manner you will do the sum number 30. Children, I am taking question number 18, in which figure is given ABCD, in which ABCD is a rectangle and in which we have 3 circles, and here the shaded part, and we have to find the area of the shaded part. As we have the 3 circles, you can see the figure, and BC is given. BC is given 14 centimeter. When you see BC, you will find that BC is the diameter of the circle. So radius of this circle enclosed in this rectangle, that will be the 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. Got it? Now AB equal to, AB is what? As you see the figure, you will find the AB is the 3 times of the diameter of the circle enclosed in this rectangle. So 3 into BC, BC is the diameter, so 3 into 14, that is 42 centimeter. Now we got AB equal to 42 centimeter, the length of the rectangle, and BC is the breadth of this rectangle, that is 14 centimeter, and the radius of the circle you got 7 centimeter. So when we subtract the area of the rectangle, when we subtract the area of the circle, area of the 3 circle from the area of this rectangle, we will get the area of the shaded part. Now see, area of the circle equal to pi r square, that is 22.7 into 7 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle equal to L into V, you know area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So 42 into 14, that is 588 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded part will be area of the rectangle minus area of the 3 circle, 1 to 3 circle. That is 588 minus 3 into 154. 154 is the area of one circle, so area of the 3 circle will be the multiply 3. So that is 588 minus 462. So that is 126 centimeter square. So area of the shaded part will be 126 centimeter square. So in that manner you can do the sum number 18.